a cool dude.
Thanks.
Yo, what's your name?
I'm Josh and I'm 13 years old.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, when you perform, you remind me of The Clash. Like that kind of like, and he was just like going for it. And to look so natural with the guitar and perform, that's super exciting for me. Like I'm getting off my chair.
Did you enjoy your performance?
It was awesome. I was a bit nervous, to be honest with you, because this is one of the few times I'm playing without my band.
So, who are you here with today?
I'm with my little brother Noah, who's the drummer in my band. I'm with my good friend Yui, he's the bass guitarist.
Hi, guys.
So let's get him out. Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah.
So, like,
Hi.
can we see what you guys sound like as a trio?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you going to play for us now?
Okay, this one's called I Play Dead.
Wake up in the morning when I want. I get out of bed when I play it. I don't care, you're my biggest fear. It's in my world, please get out of here, yeah.
Yes.
And I play dead.
You know how big they're gonna be in school now?
I know.
Because they just rock the voice. It's crazy.
The coolest
Nobody comes with
family.
their band on The Voice.
You guys are naturals. Give it up for the band.
Yeah, you're awesome, bro.
Oh, I never got this. What's going on?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Just messing. Let's jam soon.